If you want to delete your Base44 account, I'll walk you through the exact steps in just a moment. This is a quick and simple process, and I'll keep it clear so you can follow along without any confusion. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Base44 and look at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on your profile there. This will open your account options and settings menu. Next, click on Settings. Once the settings page opens, look at the left-hand navigation bar and click on Preferences. In the Preferences section, scroll or look for the option that says Delete Account. Click Delete Account to begin the removal process. After that, Base44 will show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to proceed. Carefully review the prompt, and when you're ready, click Delete Account again from the confirmation. This final click will permanently delete your account. And that's it. Your Base44 account has been deleted. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and I'll see you in the next video.